malapit yan lang. Mga minister natin na out dyan para ng 2 weeks. God of fruitfulness, God of holy women of Sarah, Ruth and Rebecca, God of Elizabeth, Mother of John, of Holy Mary, Mother of Jesus, listen to our prayer and bless the mothers and grandmothers gathered here today. Bless them with the strength of your Spirit, that they taught us how to stand and to walk, how to speak, to play, and how to pray to you. Bless them with the place at your eternal dinner table. They fed us while we were still helpless, and later showed us how to feed our souls. Bless them today with health and happiness, with joy and laughter, with pride in us, their children, and surround them with friends who are loyal and true. We also remember today the nameless women who, down through the ages, planted and harvested, cooked and baked, washed and cleaned, fed and clothed and nursed the world. And finally, we ask you, God, for tenderness to descend upon all in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.